Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June 26, 2020, and we're down here in the Hollow Garden. We had a lot of rain, so it really splashed the dirt up on the plants and the leaves. But I wanted to show you here we have a tomato hanging on down here in the Hollow Garden. And now we have peppers hanging on here. And we have some bell peppers hanging on. Now our garden got put in late this year because of the weather. Normally we can put our stuff out after Mother's Day, but this year we had snow on Mother's Day, so we got really delayed with getting our garden in. So everything's still trying to establish itself and take off and grow for us here. And here's another pepper here. And we have some more. You can see the sweet banana peppers there. Now we do have one that is starting to turn. That's actually a hot pepper there. That's a cayenne pepper. See it in there. And what will actually happen is if you let your peppers turn, especially this early, your plants will stop giving. So we're going to have to get that one off then. And so that our plants continue to give for us. And one thing when you're growing hot peppers and sweet peppers, especially like a hot banana pepper or like a sweet banana pepper, definitely make sure that you label everything, because you don't want to get your pepper plants mixed up for the hot ones and the sweet ones. You can see some more tomatoes there. We have a little bit of weeding that needs done. And you can see the onions down here, some of them. And here's our corn patch. Now, they normally say for the corn patches, knee-high by 4th of July. But, I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, it could still grow that much, but, I'm just not sure if it's going to grow like that this year. Our corn patch was really planted late this year compared to normal. So, we'll have to wait and see what it does. And you can see the potato patch here. And now the potatoes had grass put around them. And what we do is, and I have a video on this from last year, I believe it was last year. When our potato plants are so tall, we start putting grass down around them. And certain varieties of potatoes will send out runners, and they'll go under the grass. And what we do then is we can harvest the potatoes out from under the grass before we take the entire plants out. And it gives us a longer harvesting season for our potatoes. So the potatoes are beautiful this year. And I will show you the other potato patch, the new one. And this is the new potato patch here. And these are ready to have grass put around them, or to be have the soil hilled up around them, which I have a video on my channel for how we also hill the soil up around, so you can check that out. So everything's really wet, so I'm not going to walk in there because I'm going to sink. I was walking in one of the flower beds down here in the Hollow Garden, one of the new ones, and I sank. So I'm not going to walk in here because it's just going to be a mess. So as the gardens continue to grow and mature, I will come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that will tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!